Okay, so yeah,
What am I playing?
you go Zarya, Fez on the brig, Sword on the Diva, Evad on the armor.
Yep, no problem.
So it's Garden. We just do a normal like left side. Wait, is Garden the one with like the big boot bit? Or is that
Yeah,
the other one?
it's the one with the bridge.
Yeah, so we'll go left side to the ram.
You
Hopefully
mean
they go
right?
that side.
Or
Shut
where
the
have we
fuck
spawned?
up!
We're going
Depends
to white.
which one we spawn on, yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah.
That's why I
oh,
say
left.
go the back way.
Okay,
You mean
go the
white?
back way.
You mean go white? That's
Fez,
what
you're
it's
so
called. Let's
toxic,
go white.
Alexia, you're so toxic.
Shut the fuck up, Field. You're toxic.
We're going right side. Shut up, Sword. We're going right side.
What?
Hopefully they got some.
Leave
Go.
bombs!
We're going right.
We're going right side. Hopefully they go that side so we can brawl them.
Kick their ass.
And then Evad's gonna be deciding who we're killing.
Save my bubble tea that anyone who walks in front of me is gonna
Fez
get.
and some, you're off tracking.
Yep, no problem.
Can we speed across
it's
this
gonna be
section?
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
speeding.
They got they're going the
Yeah,
other way. They're going the other way.
Yeah.
They got like a
have a
2-2-2
monkey?
by the look of it.
Yeah. Yeah, they've got a 2-2-2. I'll try to shut down the tracer. They've got a pharmacy as well.
Can I get a bubble?
Winston just scored. Tracer.
Thank you.
Oh, that's what-
Tracer behind, Tracer behind.
Yeah. I'm gonna just block her down. Just win so much. Go for it.
Nice.
Literally
Davis.
one.
Diva's low, Diva's low. She got healed, she got healed, she got healed.
So let's come back.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Mercy, mercy.
Mercy
Steve ran
just
back, Steve ran back.
Mercy's got.
Tracer just
Tracer
Tracer
on-
on point, Tracer on point.
Yep.
Tracer dead, nice. Well,
Barry just scored.
Mercy's half. Diva killed herself.
Messi just scored. She's so fucking up here, man. I mean, we couldn't even push up this morning. We want to be aggressive here. We don't want to be sitting back.
No, they'll
Yeah.
back cap with the tracer.
No, yeah, there's no point now, but like, we
If they
couldn't.
back up, I can go get Tracer. So.
We just can't go too far from the spawn or they'll back cap. She's already at the back.
Yeah, I hear a Zen. Healing.
Oh god, I'm
Sword,
getting
come back,
heavily
I can't.
damaged.
Yeah.
I'm out here.
Stay behind sword.
Stay inside out of
Go
Lara's
bridge,
range.
Yep. Wait, there's two on this side as well.
Come back, sir.
alright. Oh.
Tracer behind, Tracer behind.
Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Monkey.
Yeah.
Diva.
Tracer used ult. Should've been ult track.
I'm low. Tracer down.
They could have a right.
Wait, no, Tracer not down. Sorry, my bad.
No.
They could have a
Tracer on
not-
point.
Tracer down,
I'm
Tracer
low.
down, Tracer down.
Yeah, thanks.
So Tracer used ult that fight. They could have a
The-
Pharah and a Diva and a monkey.
Where's
No, so I'm
Mercy?
gonna sit back for trance. Or...
Yep.
Yeah.
Just
I'm
watch,
just
watch,
firing down the
just
center.
watch the cliff because the monkey.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna be damaging shield, sorry.
Also, watch out for boobs, like they have a loser.
They're going back.
They're going right, they're going right, they're going right.
Beating
Going
us.
white, yep, white room, white room.
They're going to Ryan now.
Yep. Is it standing goats?
We're going to try and
I
shatter.
just scored it, right? Just scored it.
Yep. Nice. I'm gonna try to stun Ryan. I missed him. Come in if you want.
I got that Ryan.
Nice.
Help run.
Keep going.
Huge.
Nice.
Right, yeah, there's Diva on point still.
Someone on point.
Fuck, it's in
Where'd you
lane.
go?
He's off point, nice. Well done.
Nice.
That's it.
Stop Ryan.
I misclicked at the end there. I was like, oh, call me out when I call me when I need to use my ult.
Call me when my family's back.
We didn't get a real lot of time there because, yeah.
What do you say, Sword?
Call me when my
Wait,
family's back.
can we get a pause quickly?
I don't know what you're saying.
Ask for it.
I think.
Yeah.
P may not get the message across.
Yeah, we said pause.
Pause, please.
What do you want to pause for?
Cause
Someone asked for it.
yeah, give me.
No, ask him. There's why he wants it. So
Alright,
he's
do you
got to
guys
go
want
for a
me to-
walk.
You guys want me to turn up my mic?
I swear to God,
No.
dude.
You sure?
It's fine.
Funny enough, I've only got 50%.
Alright, just go. I've got to do. do this round quickly, and then I've got dinner, and then I'll be back on. Go. Oh yeah.
You sure you don't need to go for a walk? Honestly, your legs. Okay, no, that's okay.
I'll type it in too, just
Yeah.
to make sure they get the message.
Yeah.
Just gotta be certain, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go just up, straight and then up the stairs. So.
Yeah, straight ahead.
Wait. Okay.
Oh my god.
They've come the same way.
Get that one shield down. Just got it.
Right.
Sorry,
Yeah,
just got it. Sorry. Lucio just got it. Lucio 1. Then. Back to point.
Yeah, we need to
Play
cap.
aggressive.
We need to cap the point.
Isn't all the way back?
No,
As soon as we cap point, we'll push back. Yeah, take.
Yeah, we're gonna stay here.
Ryan just got it. I'm lagging.
Brian Shields though. He's stun him.
I'm gonna shatter on him.
Break. Call me when to hold. Break behind.
Brig just got it. Brig 1.
All right, back up.
Guys, come back.
I need to
Yeah,
turn
we
my
just,
shield.
I just want to hold this thing.
I don't have shield.
So please can you get your ult quickly, and then we're gonna diva. We're gonna grab bomb.
They could have a Ryan and a Zip
Grab button
and
is so fucking
Only
terrible.
use it. We only need to use
Right,
it
it's
when
good.
we need to.
Yeah, Dala, Shadow.
Get them
Sorry,
right
it's-
out.
Right, they're going. Alright, I'm popping ult now.
Tell me when you're gonna pop up.
I'm gonna see if I can whip the running to her.
Stun the
They're
right.
gonna have
Look-
shatter. My shield's going down.
Bomb.
Please run out. Please run out.
I
Please
got
run
the
out.
bomb. I got the
Oh.
Alright, we got the upper hand.
Like, aggressive.
Bring stun me.
Ryan just got it.
Gonna shatter him. Oh, he got it up in time. I got Lucio.
Round 1. Ryan down. Brig just got it.
Alright,
Go for it,
then
go for
there, Ryan.
I'm done. Okay, maybe just go back to point. A lot of people dying. This fight is lost.
dead.
Oh, that's not good.
Push back
I'm
tanks. You
gonna
don't
just walk away.
they should team.
Don't phase someone. Fly away if you can.
I'm not feeding.
So
My
have you-
DPI is all the way down. I
Oh,
cannot
Zach
do
sends.
anything.
Okay.
Back, back. So
I'm
we're
I'm
not-
gonna save my ult
Right
for
side.
graph.
Let's
I'm gonna
go.
save my
Let's
ult
go
for graph.
straight ahead up the middle. No, not up there. Up the middle.
Okay, speeding in. Ready, is everyone here?
Yep, going.
I think there's someone behind us.
Okay.
Going Ryan shield.
Spread.
Block that.
Get out.
That was their shatter bomb.
Yep. Well, that's.
Well played.
Oh no, I'm dead. They're all this side.
I got you healing. Just break.
Briggs 1. Lucio.
Yep.
Just got it. Lucio down.
Alright, we
Ryan
have
just
the
got it.
Move in,
Now
move
we
in,
got
move in.
two pigs.
Yeah. Go.
Zari just got it. Zari 1.
Those down.
Target down.
Ryan just got it. Run.
Yeah,
He's
got him.
still-
Down.
I'm low.
Sorry, Evad. I was trying to get a pack on you. Time. There, dude.
I got grab.
Okay,
We
push up.
got Lucio and Zen. So
I'm
we
gonna
got
sit.
two.
I'm gonna sit back for just a supportive hold.
Yeah, I'll use mine full grab if they use it.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Oh,
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Grabbing.
I got their grab.
David just got it.
I'm stunned.
Oh,
just got it. Run. Ryan's on point.
I'm going for Zen.
Good, you up. Play aggressive. Just good.
Gonna shatter him.
Okay.
Nice counter shadow.
I'm alone.
I'm low.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out.
Do I get out or?
Yeah,
Get
get
out.
out.
Yeah, it's at 99. There's no point being there.
Charge. He may as well like
I'm up
get his
here.
ult quicker.
So let's get down.
Oh, Dala. I'll
So-
use.
Alright, we got bomb grab. We grab.
Yeah.
We gotta focus on
Guys,
killing
you
their
guys
shield.
wanna
That's basically
Yeah,
our main goal.
I don't think they have any defensive ults. I think they trounced
So
him.
we're just gonna go. We're just gonna go main.
Just
Yep.
listen to
Alright,
Ryan.
we got everyone? Yeah, cool.
Okay, ready?
Yep, they thought we were going top.
Grab.
Ryan just scored it. Ryan just scored it.
Grab and wolf.
Bomb.
Grab and wolf.
Just bomb. Ryan.
Nice.
Hey. Run one.
Alright,
Babe, Diva?
Ah, it's okay that you said.
Oh my god, I can't get her.
Zen, discorded.
That should be it.
Yep.
Back. Oh, in the back.
Which I discorded?
Nice. Right, sub me out this round.
Are you eating your bread and crackers, Sam?
Are you going to go back and tell Seven to come in the chat?
Yeah.
But what does that mean? I have to get off off support?
Wait a sec, guys. I'm not gonna be there for a
So I
minute.
feel like I'm doing pretty good with Zen at the moment.
Seven can go brink cake.
I was really lucky that I actually
Nice,
got
nice.
that in time. Because it's the perfect situation.
Wonderful.